This video will show you how to use the Address Cleanse app to get your free data quality report. First, start by logging into your portal account or registering for an account. Next, select to use the Address Cleanse through the Welcome wizard. Select the Online Web App option, which will go to the easy-to-use Address Cleanse front screen. Start by adding a file that you want your free data quality report on. This should include addresses with names and/or telephone numbers ideally. Either drag and drop the file or browse for it to start the process. Tell Address Cleanse which fields from your file have names, address elements and telephone numbers in, depending on what is in your file. Address Cleanse will now upload part of the file to prove the setup, whilst giving an indication for address and suppression matching using your file. Click the file once it has finished and says Ready to generate results. Please note, files will be removed after 30 days. The initial summary will be based on the sample 300 records in your file. You can use the menu options to set up your file. You can choose whether to match against the Royal Mail path in the Addresses tab. Choose how to deal with duplications in the Duplicates tab. Enable suppressions in the Suppressions tab. If you want to download the file at the end, then make sure it has the right fields using the Output Columns tab. Once you are happy, press Generate Results. The full file will now be processed based on the criteria chosen. Select the file once the results are generated. You are shown a price breakdown. You can choose to purchase the final file and results. Alongside this is a breakdown for the suppressions for the number of matches per file provider. Going to the Suppressions tab will give you your free suppression report. This will show you the suppressions types found in your data, including a percentage of them. Going to the Addresses tab will give you your free address report. This will show you the address updates in more detail, including how many updates were made by type. Going to the Summary tab will show you an overall summary of the cleansed file. It breaks down how many addresses matched and did not match with reasons, how many unique records there are and how many duplicates. Alongside this, it will show you how many suppressions were found in the data, if you included name data. This is a free data quality report which you can now print out. If you want to download your cleansed file and your statistics, select the Pay button. To use Address Cleanse and get your free data quality report, please register for an account.